morning when I woke up, I absolutely had no idea what I was going to film today. I'm trying to put out 2 videos a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, and this morning, no clue. I wanted to go to the local lake or something like that and do a little something, because with the holidays coming up, I don't have time to run off, getting everything ready for the Thanksgiving. So no clue. Oh, about the lake, it started pouring down rain. It's slacked off right now, but anyway, I was milling around the house doing a few little honeydews, and I got a phone call, and it was Digital Effects. That's the company I chose for my vinyl graphics on my tailgate, the Crayon Brotherhood. They called, got it done, and I'm headed there now to have it installed. I have to tell you, the creative process of this side has been fantastic. They treated me like I was one of their high-end customers, and I'm just getting a little simple sticker made for my tailgate. Their professionalism, customer service is outstanding. I couldn't ask for better. Stand-up people. I did a poll on Facebook. If you follow me on there, you've seen it, on what font I should use, what spacing, colors, so on and so forth. And man, they were just understanding, patient with it, and I couldn't ask for better service. It's taken about a month, but everybody agreed on the one font and the colors and everything. So got it done, got it sent in, and they just called me this morning. It's ready to install. So as soon as I get there and they start installing the sticker, I'll start filming again and bring you back. I'm up here with Tyler at Digital Effects. He's getting the tailgate all cleaned up, ready to install. I got some awesome stuff in here. If you find yourself in the Texarkana area, be sure to swing by here if you're in need of any kind of wrap or stickers. They've got a really nice setup. How long have you been doing this? Don't tell me like 3 days.
No, it's been a year and a half. Just about a year and a half. It's been pretty fun every step of the way.
I can imagine. You get to see all kinds of different vehicles.
Oh yeah. And just like all kinds of crazy stuff that just comes through here.
All right, we got everything finally wrapped up, taken care of, all installed. I think it looks awesome. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. If you find yourself over here in Texarkana and need anything done, any graphics work, make your way over here to Digital Effects. Awesome people to work with, patient. They said it was something simple, but going back and forth with the audience and with them, they were patient with it, they understood. They great people to work with. And they do more than just graphic stickers. I believe they've got a like a CNC deal in there too. It cuts wood, so that might be something else you're interested in. But go to their YouTube channel, the Wrap Shop, no, the Wrap Bay. That's it, the Wrap Bay. You go check them out on there. They I guess they got some videos on there of wrapping vehicles and tutorials and stuff as well. But hey, y'all have a good day, have a safe fun holiday, and don't eat too much turkey.